Hey, good morning, everybody. I know it's been a good week since I posted a video here on YouTube or a video on my website, and that's because last week I had lost my voice. I got sick for one day. One of my employees was sick, and we had a big meeting, and he had came, and I should have told him just not to come, but I did get my flu shot. I've gotten a flu shot for years, and I hadn't been sick, but I got sick and barely where I didn't get the chills and all of that stuff, but I had felt kind of sick on one of the days, and then I had went home and I had got over it really quick. But something had happened where I didn't get a cough or anything, but I had lost my voice where I, just I was real horsey with my voice. Still a little bit, I have it, but with the hoarseness of the voice. But I got over the illness very quick. But let's jump right to it. I got the new sheet here. Incredibly, there is millions of dollars worth of debt that is being released this month. Just in time for the holidays, they're going to release millions of dollars of debt to debt collectors so they could try to ruin people's holidays. They could try to ruin the tax refunds that people are getting. If you owe any collections or you got stuff that's going to be coming in, you need to be ready to attack it. Don't go and wake up any of the debt collectors that you have unless you have a strategy in place to deal with them. But let's start first, like I always do. Cosmetic surgeries, bad debt, $2.2 million. We have some mixed credit cards, over $12 million. Here's the big one. Here's a big one. This is a mix of credit cards, $124 million. $124 million in mixed credit cards. We have another credit card company, $28 million. We have, let's see here, some retail debt where you come in, they say, you want to get this credit card because we could give you a discount. Well, for two different ones, 3.5 million and 3.2 million, and another one 8.1 million, and another one 6.4 million, and another one $5.7 million. Here goes some payday loans. Payday loans real bad right now. $900,000 and $1.8 million. And another one for $1.7 million. Another group of mixed credit cards. $22.7 million. $14 million. $7 million. And here's another group of credit cards, $79 million in credit card debt not paid. $79 million. Here we go, some bad checks. $1.2 million in bad checks. Here we go, another payday loan one, not bad, $12,000. They got off easy. Here we go. Ace Hardware. They've been downsizing their company for years. $1.9 million. Another payday loan, $2.7 million. Another combined with several different credit card providers, $21 million. And a bank with their credit cards, $2 million. And here's the big one. Let's roll the drums. Roll the drums for the last one. Credit card debt, $69.2 million that will be released. And these companies are going to start going after people for this money. Now, let's talk about the strategies. And I always go over it again and again because there could be a new person that's learning about it. But what you have to do is you have to first validate you're going to get a letter in the mail, and you need to validate that collection when you get it in the mail. And that's where you need to request from the creditor that you get all of the information from either the new buyer of the debt or from the collection from the original creditor. They need to provide you all the signatures. They need to provide you, if you're getting it from the original creditor, they can provide you the signatures for every charge that you made. If it goes over to the collection agency, then they have to request that from the original creditor, and they have to provide that to validate it. Now, the only reason why they wouldn't have to go through that process is if you had been summoned to go to court and you didn't show up to court and they got a default judgment, then it throws all of that out of the window. The next step that you have to go through is go through a settlement phase with them. So if you find yourself in any of these situations, you can reach out to our company, or you can send us an email, or you can go and look at some of the other free videos that I've made with how to deal with collections and learning about how to validate those collections. So if you need any help or assistance, please contact us at thecreditrepairshop.com, and we'll be glad to review your situation. And if you need us to help you, we can move forward, or you can look at the free videos that we have on the internet or on our website to help you with your collection situation. Thanks a lot. Until next time.